My name is Alouzeh Brandone. I'm a software developer as well as most of you. I'm a community manager, a lot of community events here in Bamenda, and even previously the Bamenda Community Challenge. I've worked at Tor Cameroon, and I'm currently the CEO of Mavia Technologies, which is basically a startup that builds products that are being used by students. And currently we have about 2 products that are being used by students to look for us on campus and easily find locating other sources in Bamenda. I'm actually really happy to be here. I mean, it's really a lot. Titus has been working on this plan for about a year plus now. Since last year we talked on it, and he has really been looking towards that. And CivilSalt, it's really great, and I really hope to connect with you all at the end of this, network, connects, and have fun. Thank you.